I'm Dayasakar DS. I'm a student of Vedantu since I was studying in my class 9th. Initial 2 years, I was just looking into YouTube videos, watching Shimon sir's lectures, mainly during my class 10 board examination, the strategies and 10th board exam holidays. I just started my JEE prep, and since then I've been constantly following Vedantu. I was enrolled in VDL batch, which was a Tamil batch actually, conducted by Shimon sir, and the teaching was amazing. It was really good. And after that I got upgraded to Pro batch in my class 12, and after that currently I have switched to Eklavya batch, which is even more powering, and the assignments they give are really top notch. It's very excellent.
What kind of study material do you generally use?
Almost 95% Vedantu's Tattva. Now I have started the rank accelerated module of Vedantu's Eklavya program.
What kind of student were you when it came to your studies before joining Vedantu?
In my class 10th, I was like a top performing student, maybe in top 3, I can say. And I scored a 479 out of 500 in my class 10 boards. It actually didn't go really well because of my English actually.
Any turning point within these 2 years when you felt scoring good marks and JEE is going to be a cakewalk for you?
Maybe right after I came into class 12, I just started going ahead of my coaching, basically Vedantu. And at that time I felt that I'll be rocking JEE.
What could be the one practical advice to your juniors that you would like to give to them so that they can also excel the way you have?
Be strong with your basics, the only thing.
பையன் 9th 10th படிக்கிறதுல முதல்ல உங்களோட வீடியோஸ் நிறையா பார்ப்பான். எஸ்பெஷலி சிமோன் சார் வீடியோ நிறையா பார்ப்பான். அவன் சாரை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அதுலேருந்து தான் அவனுக்கு அப்படி நிறைய வீடியோ பார்த்து தான் 10th லீவில் சாரை பார்க்கணுன்ட்டு அதை ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணான். அவன் தான் ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணான். எக்ஸாம் முடிஞ்ச கையோட அப்படி போய் சாரை பார்த்ததுக்கப்புறம் அப்படி ஜாயின் பண்ணோம்.
He is a student of very much concept based, sir. He is very much interested in physics, chemistry, and little bit in mathematics also. He is very much interested in engineering only. So he wants to join in good institute like IIT and IIT.
So how are you both feeling by knowing what a great result he has produced?
We are very much delighted, sir.
Any message for the parents who are watching this?
பசங்களை வந்து நல்லா மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுங்க, நல்லா எக்ஸாமுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி கொடுங்க. டெஃபினட்டாக அவங்க நல்லா ஸ்கோர் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் டு ஆல் தி அச்சீவர்ஸ்.